and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me.
So guys, this is my last and final day back home. Boy, this is a trip that nobody ever wants to come home for. Sorry for the lighting, guys. As you guys can see, oof, not bright enough. I'm gonna go outside so I could talk to you guys a little bit. Yeah, so like I said, guys, this is literally my last day in the beautiful island. As much as, you know, I came here for other things, but it's still a beautiful place. Still grieving, but you know, like my mother always says, Shan, life has to go on. We're only here for a moment. We are just passing through. So, you know, enjoy while you can, love your loved ones, and make peace with things that you weren't able to make peace with. My voice is a little bit gone. Yeah. So I'm literally here just getting ready to go back over in that cold. I am not looking forward to, but you know, I gotta get back over and get things done. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. I didn't get that much footage. I just really wanted to just focus and spend time with my family. It's been years since I've actually been with my family, and you know, certain things happen because of certain people, but it's life. But you know, at the end of the day, you move past it and try and make amends. I'm currently here just waiting. I leave in the next hour, and then I gotta go sit at the airport for a few hours. So I've already said my don't like the word goodbye. Goodbye is never the word I like. You know, I've said my farewells, my see you soons. That's more like it. I've said my see you soons. It's just always a bummer when you come to the island and you're supposed to come home to enjoy yourself, not to be burying a loved one, and the worst of all, not to be putting my mother to rest. I think, boy, guys, this is one of the hardest things I have ever had to do in my life so far. And I have been through some obstacles in my life, still going through them, even went through them while I am down here, but the grace of God spared my life. Thank you, Jesus. You alone knows the struggles, but I never keep God far away. God is always by my side. I always said if I've never had anybody in my corner, he's always been there, because he has shown me tremendous wonders from day one till now. And I will forever be praising him. Trust me, there's nobody like him. Like, just the testimony that I've had since I have been here, who alone could it be but God? God alone, but he knows. And man, I am forever grateful and blessed and highly in his favor. Yeah, they say no weapon formed against you shall prosper. Trust and believe. And I just like to say thank you for everybody for the condolences, everyone that showed up for the funeral, or whether you were there for actual support or you were just there to see what was going on or just being nosy. Still thank you regardless. Because in life, no matter what, you are always gonna have those few people that hate you regardless of what, but they just, just want to see what's going on in your life. They can't help you. As much as they hate you, they can't help but see what. At the end of the day, I am so grateful that we as a unit was able to give my mom a great send-off. I couldn't have asked for a better send-off for her, and I'm sure if she was here, literally here in the flesh, seeing herself being sent off to be with the Lord, she would appreciate it too. She would appreciate it. As much as my mother did not ever talk, it's so funny, she never talked about death, like, God forbid if anything was to happen to her, what she would want, like as in to be cremated, like color of her casket, nothing like that. What color she would want to be buried in, how she would want, whether it's something fancy or anything. She never talked about it. But yeah, my mom went to everybody. The amount of funerals my mom always go to, and I was like, how do you manage? You're always going to people's funeral. Even if she just meets you and you said you have a funeral to go to, she would want to come just to support. So she was always good, because I always asked her, I'm like, are you able to go and stuff? And for me, death does not scare me. It's something that happens, and it's something that we are all have to face one day. But it's still touchy. Yeah, make the best of life, because like they say, life is short. You're here today, you're gone tomorrow, and nobody knows the hour or the minute or the second when our life will be just swept from underneath our feet. So you got to live with faith, and you got to live with God in your heart, but you also have to learn to enjoy your life and enjoy your loved ones around you, and try not to take too much things for granted, because like I said, you're here today and gone tomorrow, or you could be here right now and gone in the next minute. So that is something that we all gotta learn to live with. But I guess I will keep up with you guys when I am back home. Thank you again to all the supporters that have definitely been reaching out and checking up on me. Thank you. It means a lot. And the reason why it means a lot, sometimes you have total strangers that don't know you, but they watch you like through the video, or you guys are watching me through my channel, and you have supported me more than some of like my own family members, and that just goes to show that there's still genuine people in the world like myself. They're very hard to find, but when you find them, you tend to keep them around. And just know that in life, it's not everybody that you think is going to be there for you is going to be there for you, and that is something I've certainly seen.
Veuillez noter que les enseignes de sortie comportent un sigle vert. Les flèches indiquent la direction à suivre pour se rendre à l'issue. Pour plus d'informations, veuillez consulter la carte de mesure de sécurité dans la pochette de votre siège dans les portes recours.
God knows best, and I trust him. So I know that in the next life there's definitely better to come than the world that we're living in now. So
baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, see you. My baby, I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord. Gonna greet the Lord, I pray to the Lord. Fatumata Jambele. Everything being safe again, everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Ooh, promise, Bobby, call you back, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. You looking like me, oh yeah, oh yeah. You see me be like, I'm not a naughty rider. Let me please you right tonight. Don't make plans tonight, yeah, no. But get it, no. Come here to me, to me. Come here to me, let's go. Come here, come to me, Fatu mata jembele, oh Lord. The Fatu mata jembele, oh jembele, oh. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord. Gonna greet the Lord, I pray to the Lord. Fatu mata jembele, everything being safe again now. Everything for your jembele, oh jembele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me.
Really changed up in here. Everything is different. Connection. So totally different from before. New. So they've definitely changed up the airport from the last time I came here.
They are not our fears we see. No point we left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me gonna be the wife for you. That inna the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet and how them greet is like real life an interview. That inna the days and now it's every day.